Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your honey from Honest Vlog. For today's video, naway makatulong po ito sa inyo, and it's such a good thing na makonsider natin yung mga bagay-bagay before po tayo mag-order online kahit saang mga application niya na kung saan may mga ino-offer po sa inyo na talagang maaakit kayo or manghumaling sa mga produkto na kanilang binibenta at inaalok. If you are relate in this video, maybe this video is for you. Before all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are not yet a subscribers to our YouTube channel, Tukan Hanes Vlog. May tatanong ko lang po. I would like to ask if have you been a victim or have you been scammed through online, just like buying products through Facebook or anumang application yan na kung saan the products arrive or product is very different from the online products you ordered? If yes, this video is for you maybe. I have also the experience just like few days ago, and I'm going to share it with you. It will be a lesson learned and charge the experience na lang. Better luck next time and good luck to those sellers who are mocking and wanting to earn some money only just because of the products na kung saan talagang grabe kayo. Grabe. Hindi natin yan ikakayaman. Anyway, let's go now. Things to consider before we proceed, and if we are really very sure for buying the items online. Let's go consider it all. Important thing to consider before buying online for you to avoid being scammed and maiwasan din yung financial loss natin. Una, review the products price and number of products sold. Marami po sa atin ang nagiging biktima ng product online na kung saan minsan mali yung item na na-deliver, mali din yung dumadating sa atin. Kung kaiba pa nga po, the box is empty. You just have to pay or paying for nothing. Gentle reminder, if you order through Facebook or whatever kind of apps and you think and you feel na parang kinakabahan ka or iba yung nararamdaman mo dyan sa items na yan, huwag po muna nating bubuksan, kapain muna. If ever na may something doon or sa tingin mo iba or yun talaga, saka mo na lang bubuksan. If you are not sure, you can just return it na lang to the rider. Approachable naman po sila. Kakahingi ka pa naman ng help doon para ma-return yung items. Yan. We have to review. Kung makikita mo, yung number of sold ay madami, almost 1,000 or thousands, ibig sabihin, through reality, totoo yung products na kanilang binibenta. At, syempre, sulit na sulit. Pangalawa, review the comments. May iba't ibang uri ng opinion bilang experience depends upon to the product that arrives on you. Kasi hindi naman natin na masasabi kapag ang produkto ay pangit kung hindi natin yon susubukan or iti-test. 'Di ba? Pag binabasa mo yung mga comments doon, merong maganda, merong katamtaman na parang hindi pumapatok sa reality, meron namang nagkakaroon ng dissatisfaction. At kung mas madami yung positive kaysa sa negative, pwedeng ang dumating sa'yo ay pareho. May combination. Review the comments. Turn into other page. You can still have the option to choose other products, the same thing doon sa gusto mo. Makakakita ka pa naman ng ibang seller doon or ng ibang products na binibenta. If you think that all comments are positive after reading it, ibig sabihin, maganda yung produkto nila and hindi ka malulugi sa iyong gusto at ninanais, lalo na kung ito ay kailangan mo na talaga. May mga seller din po na bumibenta through Facebook na hindi mo ma-view, or let's say kahit maraming mga likers and comments based lang sa kung anong nakikita mo dyan sa social media na kasi maganda yung pagkakagawa, akala mo yun na talaga, pero pagdating pala ng item sa'yo, in reality, iba. Yan. Most of them are posting positive, mostly dyan sa Facebook, based on my experience, ha. Na makikita mo parang ganda-ganda ng produkto. Opo, ang ganda po sa video, pero pagdating ng produkto, in reality, mayroong dumadating na yung in-order mo online is very different sa produktong dumating sa in-address sa'yo. I have my sample there, so keep on watching. It's showtime. This is our conversation that time while I was surfing through my Facebook. I saw their products online. Maganda yung gimbal talaga, guys. Talagang maaakit kayo sa pagbili, lalo na kung kailangan mo talaga siya sa pag-vlog, taking selfies, different kinds of transition. So, pinindot ko po yung button doon. Nag-ask ako sa kanila kung magkano. So, nag-response naman po sila sa akin. And this is what they showed me. Ayan, di ba ang ganda? Yan. Ang bagal ng internet connection ko. See? Maganda sana siya, guys, kaso hanggang litrato lang. Ayan. After nyan, may binigay silang option sa akin kung ano yung gusto kong i-avail na talagang manghuhumaling ka kasi syempre may mga free AirPods and smartwatch. So, hinihingi nila kaagad yung aking personal information. My gosh. Mag-ingat na lang po tayo sa susunod. Ito po yung kanilang products posted there after you click the button. May iba't ibang price sila. Kung makikita nyo naman po, A1 PC Ultra Stabilizer, Gimbal, 899, buy one take one pa siya, guys, ha, yung option B. At option C, merong buy one take two. Ang galing ng option nila. Tapos, pagdating sa'yo, ibang item mong darating. Di ko alam kung may pagka-jet lag siguro ang nagdi-deliver nito. Bakit ganon? Kahit sa comment ng profile pictures nila, may mga nagre-reklamo doon na mali talaga yung items na dinideliver. It's a scam. See? Kaya din ako nagdalawang isip before kasi kailangan ko. Yung dumating sa akin ay lagayan ng tumbler. Anyway, kinonsern ko naman po yan sa kanila. Kaso ang tagal nilang mag-respond. Iisip ka pa, dinidiscounta nila para ikaw ay mag-avail. See, ako parang naakit na rin. Kaya bumili na din ako. Yung option A, 799. Ayan, 799. May pa ano-ano pa sila dyan, Order confirmation. Sobrang excitement ko lang siguro kaya naisipan kong buksan kaagad. Hindi ko na rin siya pwedeng maibalik kasi nasira ko na yung balot ng items. Bali, dalawa po sila guys na in-order ko through Facebook or sa Facebook online. Ibinalik ko na po yung pangalawa kasi baka maulit lang din naman kagaya nitong sa una. So, mega love shout out sa JNT. Thank you po sa inyong pag-deliver. Ang problema lang po, wala pong double checking pagdating sa product ni sender. Sana magkaroon po kayo ng double checking kung tama ba yung items na ipapadala nila and may verification talaga kung ano yung order. After ko ng pag-concern sa kanila guys, ito yung chat ko po sa kanila. Ayan. Kita nyo naman po, matagal na po itong message ko. Parang almost 3 days na or 2 days. Wala pang reply hanggang ngayon, no? Itong message na ito, na-send ko noong November 7 and nag-respond sila sa akin noong Sabado lang. They are just mocking you and playing games online just to earn money without any sympathy and consideration to the poor people. So, iwasan nyo na lang po mag-order sa kanila and through online kasi maraming mga loko-loko dyan.
In every mistakes, we have learned a lot. And from that learnings, turn it to experience. And from every experience, we became very careful na for nothing. And of course, move forward for us to get better. And para maging maigi ang lahat, magkakaroon tayo ng mga bagay na binibigyan natin ng konsiderasyon para ma-meet yung satisfaction and reality ng products. I hope you guys like the video and don't forget to like after watching. Babush!